Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so oh, sauce, open the sauce, open the sauce, sauce open, raw sauce. Fucking little bastard, open! Oh my god, it's not opening. Amen. I got it. Yummy. Fuck off, Corona, bitch. Someone's watching me. Don't look at me. It's so nice. I wish McDonald's was open. So tell me, everyone, what's quarantine life treating you all like? I can't deal with this shit. McFlurry would do right now. Oh my god, I was able to so George me, it was so fucking funny. I can't do with this shit. I need a shisha. I love chicken strips. I don't do chicken nuggets, but chicken strips are life for me. From Dean's Old Trafford, y'all. Got another one. We didn't get £2 for the pound, which is worth it. Makeup tutorial. This chicken nugget's going in my mouth, y'all. She's thick. Look how thick. With some sauce. Some Dean special sauce. I don't know what it is, but bitch. Who's excited for Ramadan vlogs? Oh my god, I should do like YouTube vlogging. That'd be so good. What do y'all recommend? Should I do that? I want to do some TikToks. What a sad life. Oh my god. I think I'm losing the plot, but you know, fuck it. I think we all are. Coronavirus! Shit, should I do that? Coronavirus! So who's got tea? Sippy. So this is iron brew. And that fucker never gave me any napkins. But luckily, got some hand sanitizer for this crusty y'all coronavirus. So, put some of that on. Like, you know. You know what I'm saying? Oh my god, so I just listened to Young God's music. Pakistan, oh my god. I'd never heard that before, but I was listening to it last night. That shit is so funny. I'm not gonna lie. Coronavirus! Okay, so that's all y'all for today's vlog. So how should I do my outro? Like, bye y'all, coronavirus! Out! Marina, this song's for you. So I don't. Oh shit, don't. ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਲ ਵੇ